and I look outside and it is absolutely hammering the rain down. Good morning, guys. Once again, my hair likes to be weird. I don't know what I have to do to get it to stay down. I just got up. It's almost 11 o'clock. I tell you, last night was okay. I didn't freeze to death. So yeah, that's good. Those heaters were doing really good last night. They were stepping up to that cold and punching it in the face. I'm gonna record some more today. Because that's about all I do is record. And I'm fine with that, you know? I mean, recording is something that needs to happen. So, yeah, that's my plan. Recording and more recording. That's about it.
Good morning, guys. It is 11 o'clock and I'm awake to take my medicine. It is a rainy day outside and the wind's blowing. I don't know if you can see the trees over there. But the wind's blowing and it's raining and it's kind of cool and there's a fly trying to get out. So yeah, I need to take my medicine and I don't know what else. I need to wash clothes today, actually. More clothes today. I forgot that I did some yesterday. I almost fell over. I'm trying to multitask and it's kind of difficult. But yeah, I need to take my medicine and I have like 6 more left, I think. 5 or 6 more, maybe less, I don't remember. But the knot is still there. No change, so it kind of sucks. I need to get a cup. But that's what I'm doing this morning. I am getting ready to take my medicine. I just got up. So, yeah. It's raining and windy. And that's what's going on.
So I've made an executive decision that I probably need to do the dishes. They haven't got nearly as bad as they do sometimes, but yeah, like I said, they're not the worst. I just need to get them done. Mostly because I kind of need something to make food on. And we don't really have anything clean for what I want to make. Actually, what do I want to make? Oh yeah, I want to make some fried eggs. And I kind of need that skillet over there clean. So yeah, I'll make a fried egg sandwich. Or 3. I'll probably make a lot of them. So I made me my egg sandwiches, and I look outside, and it is absolutely hammering the rain down. Not sure how well you guys can see that, but it is pouring. It came out of nowhere. Like, I looked over at my computer for a little bit because I'm watching a video. Looked outside, pouring down. I don't even know what's going on. Okay guys, it's about that time again where the outro comes, but I need to do some explaining real quick. As you can tell, Steph wasn't in the vlog a whole lot today, and that is because her internet went down up at her house, which means she couldn't, like, even if she did record videos, she couldn't put them in the Dropbox for me to put them into the vlog, which really sucks. So we're hoping it comes back on like overnight or tomorrow. That way she can be in tomorrow's. But if not, we're gonna try to figure out a way to get her clips into it, but we're not sure how we're gonna do that just yet. So very sorry that she's not in the vlog. She feels so bad. She apologizes a lot. She says she's sorry. Hopefully it'll be fixed though, and we really hope that it is. But I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here for today. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you did not. Comment down below. Let us guys know what you thought of it. Subscribe to join our YouTube family. Forgot that part last night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully Steph will too. Hug.